What's the word, YouTube? Today I'm back with another video. Welcome to my channel, Keep Up with Devo. And today, like I saw probably like a couple videos ago, that I got a new spoiler. Drake WICKER spoiler. I think that's what it's called. I'll leave the link in the description down below. But yeah, as y'all see, we still got the regular stock, SS spoiler. The little high spoiler. But we finna go ahead and change that. I got this spoiler painted, Went on here, got this one painted to match the core. And then I got this piece right here that go on, as y'all see, it say Snow the CAMARO. Damn, I just dropped my screws. Fuck, I hope I ain't losing. But yeah, we finna go ahead and throw that on there and see what that look like. I'm finna go ahead and take y'all through the process of what it take to change spoiler, even though y'all probably know or seen another video out there. So yeah, you got 6 of these. If you got this type of spoiler that I got, you got 2 right here, and you got 2 under there, and then you got 2 more right here. Now I suggest if you doing it on these ones, make sure you got like a magnet or something to catch it when you take it off. And it's a 10mm Torx bit, it 10mm. Get the camera focus. Yeah, so also, you might still have to tug on it because some little clamps in there. I didn't even know that until now, but yeah, just to let y'all know. But now we got this, the black adhesive tape on here. You're gonna peel it off. And then if it leave residue, you got a heat gun or a blow dry. You know what I'm just saying? Just heat it up and it'll come right off. I got a heat gun, so whatever I can't get off right now, I just use that to get it off. now we got the spoiler all the way on. You know, it's how it look. I love it already. So let me know in the comments down below what y'all think. I ain't done yet. I still got to put the WICKER bill piece on it. And then it's going to wrap up the video. All right, y'all. So here go the finish. Final results of the car. And if y'all look and see right there, it's how you snow the CAMARO. I'm going to get a LED board so I can put it at the bottom so it can light up, you know. But yeah, let me know what y'all think. I love it from this angle, but from the front, I don't even really know how I feel about it. It's taller than what I thought it was, but I like it. I still might end up getting the Street Fighter one or something. I don't know. I'm thinking about it, but let me go ahead and show y'all what it look like from the front. You know. You know, him boy JD, he was telling me that I should have kept it black, but nah, I had to go ahead and paint it white. Messed the car so it had, cause the thing that I'm going with, you know, yeah, only look right if it's white. So let me know in the comments down below what y'all think about the new spoiler. And I got something else under there, the Flow Series underglow underneath the car, but that's a whole nother video. I don't know if y'all gonna get that video before this one, or if I'm gonna put this one up first, but hey, leave a like, comment, subscribe, you know, share, click the notification bell, and yeah, just stay tuned. I'm going to Vegas in like 4 days, so yeah, I'm gonna be out there. And then when I come back, I'm gonna finish the build on this. Right now, the Jeep up at the audio place getting the speakers did to it. You know, there's gonna be a whole nother video. So yeah, you know, I'm starting to work on these cores, getting the work done to them. It's like I said, this one gonna be probably going to the interior shop when I come back from Vegas. And then while we in Vegas, we're gonna be doing the lagoon buggy stuff in the desert. So that's gonna be another video that I'm gonna be bringing y'all. So yeah, I got all content coming. So I'm gonna need y'all to stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, share, click the notification bell, and I'm out.